Pip install TensorFlow. That is the next thing I should not do right after watching a 30 seconds YouTube short on how to print Hello World in Python. But I did. However, as lucky as I've always been, AI invented a time machine. So I jumped on that train and went back to right after the print Hello World to make sure I never damaged humanity's best talent, which is of course me. I was cruising on the programming/AI journey until I realized that by not learning DSC and a million foundations of becoming a principal engineer, I f***ed up so hard. So I'm back to take a step back and explore these core concepts. Let's dive into memory. When we write computer programs, we are basically giving our machines a list of chores to do. And where does this list go? Into the computer's memory, of course. Think of it as our computer's sticky notes. Only these notes hold all the instructions and data. Now, there are different types of memory, but when we talk about memory in programming, we usually mean the main memory, the RAM. Imagine RAM as your kitchen counter where all the cooking happens. You write your script, like saving a recipe, and when it's time to cook, the recipe jumps into the RAM and starts working. Both the program and its ingredients sits there, making your computer's kitchen a busy place. But remember, every computer has a limit on how much memory it can handle. So unless you want your computer to freeze and crash like a bad cooking show, you better make your program's memory efficient. Think of it like packing for a trip. The less you carry, the smoother your journey. Memory efficient algorithms help keep things tidy and running smoothly, and that is what we want. Next, let's talk about computing power, the muzzle of your computer. This is your computer's ability to process data and follow instructions like a super fast obedient butler. The CPU is the brain of this operation, and its speed is the computing power. It's like the engine of a sports car. The faster it goes, the quicker you get things done. CPU performance is often measured in MIPS, not the sound your cat makes, but million instructions per second. Basically, how many tasks can this bad boy handle in a second? This is a limited resource, so writing efficient code is crucial. Efficient code is like giving the butler a to-do list with clear, simple instructions instead of a long-winded speech. So when you are coding, think simple. Less is more. Keep your algorithms lean and mean, and your CPU will thank you by not overheating and crashing. And that, my friends, is the essence of memory and computing power in a nutshell. Now go out there and rock those data structures and algorithms. Just so you know, AI reformatted my story. #make use of AI.